This is Helpscreen. This is how to fix Madden NFL Mobile not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your NFL mobile app. So first solution is go to your Google Play Store and search for the Madden NFL and make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And now guys, if the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now, for the second solution, is just go to your settings on your device, and then after here, just go to the apps, and then on the apps, just find NFL, guys. And from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So NFL is right here, tap on it, and then tap on the storage, and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your NFL mobile app. So now, if any of the solution doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall NFL on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again on your phone. And then from there, you should be able to have a working Madden NFL mobile app. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!